Okay, so I checked the cake once the 35 minutes were over. Poked it with a knife and it did come out a little bit still wet. So I'm putting it for 5 minutes more and let's see what happens. So this is what the cake looks like. It looks a little darker on the top, but it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know, maybe it looks darker in the video, but it looks like it's gonna taste delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cool it off a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and cut off a slice so you guys can see that it cooked in the inside. So basically I cooked it for about 40 minutes. So yeah, at 320 degrees or maybe 25. So yeah, it looks delicious.